Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I'm super excited about this. The Rubik's Connected Cube. I've been waiting for this one for a while. I've been using the GoCube, but Rubik's Connected is either assisted in design or just completely designed by the GoCube team. And I'm going to try to do a bunch of solves with this and use the app. Now I'm actually using like 2 cameras to film 3 things. So we'll see if all of this works. Let me back this one up just a little bit. And so let's open this up. Got some nice Velcro here. There's different things, the academies to learn how to solve the cube. The battle, so match up and compete. Learn to improve, learn, level up, measure. So I'm wondering what that exactly is. I'm wondering if I've done that on the GoCube and just missed it or something new. And then mini games. And we have the puzzle. Now, the GoCube is in stickerless, and this one is stickered. However, the GoCube, oh my god, I'm already ripping the box. Okay. The GoCube is pillowed, and this one is cubic, which I'm very excited about that. Okay, we've got some dots for charging, and this charging cable. Now, no, it probably won't fit in that same dock. But this sticks in like that. Very easy. And as far as stickers, besides that one center, these could easily be replaced. I mean, you could have the centers and just punch out those specific holes. But the dot connector is the center with an edge. Not a center with an edge, but sort of center one with any of those corners. So it doesn't really matter which way it goes in. It goes in either way. Let's talk about turning. Magnets are a little bit strong, but insane turning. I mean, honestly, this is a better 3x3 than any of the other Rubik's Speed Cubes. If we open this up, I've got a really nice design. This looks just like the GoCube design, even with those tracks. So yeah, if I was to use any Rubik's branded Speed Cube, this one would be it. Now, as far as tensioning, I don't think these can be tensioned. Can I get a cap off? Let's find out. Not really able to get a cap off, so I'm not going to keep forcing that up, but don't think it's really necessary here. Enough waffling. Let's open up the app and just see how this connects. We've got the instructions, but let's ignore that. So let's do this. Now, I'm wondering if my account with GoCube will still just stay the same, or I need a whole new account. I like to use Bluetooth. Yes, use Bluetooth. Click on the Rubik's Cube you want to play with. There it is. And you can change the name of it. So I'll probably change it to like SpeedCube Reviews, Rubik's Cube. Okay, let's sign in with Facebook. And we are logged in, ready to go, connect. Tons of fun. Now I've heard this also will work with other things like CubeBeast. Use your finger to swipe the virtual cube on the screen. So turn that. Sync the colors. I'm a pro cuber. Solo run. Okay. Now, this is a little bit stretched out, and the reason it's stretched out is because it's on my iPad. I don't know if it'll just stretch to whatever the puzzle is, so for a phone, it would definitely not be as square as this, a little more widescreen, I guess, or vertical. But let's just go to solo. Let's try a full solve. There we go. One of my favorite OLLs. And GPerm. Okay, that was better. Let's play again. Oh wait, I wanted to actually see, because it'll usually analyze it. Let's do that again. Hopefully I'll do a better solve. I need to turn a little bit slower. One thing I always forget is to turn slowly. Let's do yellow cross this time. Actually, whoops. I'm taking way too long. Oh, that was atrocious. Don't ever do what I just did there as far as cross solving. And then there we go. More stats. Okay, So, advanced. Let's see what we've got here. Ignore the sound of my computer. Cross, pair, OLL, PLL. It said I did one move. I think that was just the U move at the end. Advanced times average TPS. Ooh, TPS for each one. Okay, let's see what happens with Ru, because I used the GoCube and did Ru recently, and it actually knew it, although it didn't do M moves too well. I'm really loving this, that it's basically a cubic GoCube, and I'm so pumped about it. I'll probably put my own shades on here. I'll definitely talk to SpeedCube Shop to get stickers specifically cut for this. And then there we go. Okay, so stats. Blocks CML LSE. Okay, the GoCube app does Ru. However, I don't think it does M slices at all. It doesn't really. That's a little bit. Block, okay. Block CMLL LSE. Okay. So it's getting there. Analysis is okay. For analysis, definitely go to CubeBeast for really nice detailed stuff. But let's go to the... Wait, Wait, hold on. I want to go back. Can I just hit this? I'll go back in a second. Let's go back for a second. Red Bull Rubik's. I already did it for today, so I don't think I can. Oh, unless this is going to be different because different cube, or maybe I did it this morning, but I can do it now because some time has passed. Now, I don't see myself ever making the top 16. Right now, I think I'm 33rd with the GoCube. I need to turn the sound on the iPad. Nice U3. Okay. So much easier to turn. I feel like as far as something really fashionable, let me just grab my GoCube. I've talked about it a few times. Something that's fashionable, something that's a really nice little showpiece. The GoCube is really nice. But if you want something that you can turn a little bit more fluidly, do both those work? Let me know in the comment section. Fluidity of the turning. This is definitely a one to go. I'm honestly, the Rubik's brand Bluetooth puzzle, the Rubik's Connected, might be the best Bluetooth puzzle on the market. That was a good Ru solve. Yeah, let's see, where am I? 39th. So yeah, so it did include the things from my GoCube. I must have just been available, ready to solve again. So I'm 39th right now. Okay, then we have solver, stats, and there are different games, which I've gone over some of these games. Right, there we go. There's the games. With patterns, the Cubicizer, which is the music one. Right now my iPad isn't making much sound because it's plugged into the computer, so it can show on here. So I apologize that I'm not doing that immediately. However, get this puzzle. I am really loving this. Get this. I can't stress it enough. Of all Bluetooth puzzles, it's actually cheaper than some of the ones that are out there. And this might be the best performing one. In my opinion, the GoCube was always the best performing one, and this is that but it's a cubic shape. And yeah, I'll talk to Cameron about getting some stickers printed for it, especially for that yellow side. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews.